Hi friends, today we're going to have dinner here at Shark's Burger near LaSalle. My brother, Cassie, Tia, and Ate Len. So we're going to have dinner here at Shark's. So this is the lemonade from Shark's. We'll try it out. It's a little bit sweet and sour, but not overwhelmingly sour. It's not so overwhelmingly sweet also. It's just sweet. So we'll try this nachos with cheese. Very crispy. The cheese is very light. It's not so good. Try the fries. There's a sauce. It's not so crispy, but it's soft inside. There are some fries that's crispy, so we'll try with the dip. The dip is a combination of mayo and pickles. Sour and sweet. Shark's Ultimate Burger. 3 point. It's 3 point. Stunner. Try the southern fried chicken. The bun is very nice. It's sweet, buttery. The fried chicken is very spicy and crispy, but it's also soft and moist inside. Next, we'll try the 3-pointer. It has onion rings, fried onions, sauteed onions actually, as lettuce, the beef patty, and the cheese. Also in a bun. So we'll try it out. The beef is so soft and moist, but it has a little bit of beef aftertaste. The cheddar cheese is a little bit salty, and the lettuce is crispy. Next we'll try the stunner. There's also some sauteed onions and 2 beef patties. There's cheese in between and lettuce. The lettuce was crispy. The patty is doesn't have beef aftertaste. The bun is so sweet and the onion is a little bit oily. Next we'll try the shark's ultimate. There is mushroom, cheese, burger patty, tomato, lettuce, and cheese. The bun is so soft and moist. The lettuce is so crispy, and also the tomato. There is also a taste of the mushroom. And also the cream. The beef here doesn't have any beef aftertaste. I really like among all the other burgers I have tasted, this is for me the best. So that's my food review for the burgers here at Sharks. And I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have until my next video. This has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye!